What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video. Today, you have downloaded Color Master. Number one, thank you so much for everybody that are supporting these tools. This is the brainchild of an animator that has been working for a long time, and we are now putting out some pretty cool things to help your workflow. And because of you, we're actually able to build crazier stuff, more streamlined tools that are way better. And you're a part of the crew, and I can't thank you enough. But this is Color Master. So what does Color Master do? Now, number one, everybody knows that you can make a color control inside of After Effects where you create a new null object and you assign you assign expression controls, a color control, and then you can use expressions to tie every color here on this composition to a color control, so you can change everything at once. But that takes a lot of time. And what if I have a project that I didn't make, or somebody didn't make a color control, and there's like thousands of shapes, like thousands of colors. Like it could take a long time to build something like that. So I was like, Color Master could solve this problem. So this tool is pretty cool. So basically the UI is over here on the left. Once you installed it, go to Window, Film at Color Master, and here it is. At the top, we have Build Color Master, Rescan Merge Colors, Update Expressions, and Position, and a bunch of little tick boxes. Cool little Learn More button that tells you more about the tool. Our website, our Discord channel, you can talk directly with me if you click this. And I'm always online. I'm always working, so let's do something. Contact, email, and close. What Color Master does is it hot scans your entire project. We do build Color Master, and Color Master created. Success. Color Master was successfully created. What this does is it builds a series of compositions, and they're all organized in such a way because in smaller compositions, it's not a big deal, but in large compositions, it's a really big deal. So Filament.io Color Master composition has been created. What is this? This is your entire project that has been hot scanned, and expressions have been written for every possible color and object in your entire project. Now, this is Color Master V1. There will be future updates to streamline more, pick up more colors, pick up more, effects inside of After Effects to help us cue this and organize our colors very quickly. So what this did was, if we go to color control text here, our effect controls, it generated a color control. We lock this, go back to random shapes, and if I change all of these to black, everything is now black. All my text is now black. It created the color control for every single text in here, and it applies to any type of color. It could just be plain text, a fill, whatever you name it, it should work. Quote unquote should. We're patching this tool constantly, so look out for updates. Get a license and you get lifetime updates, so don't worry about that. That's really cool. Great, now every single piece of text is black. All right, I want to control all the black text at once because I changed all this text to black. Let's just hit Merge Colors. Merges it down to one single control, and now if we change this, all the text will change to white. Boom, that is pretty cool. I'm really pumped about this. This is awesome. Let's undo all this. Go undo, 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 undo. Great. So let's say we've built our Color Master. Everything's great. We want to add something new, though. We want to add to this project. So let's grab our text tool. Let's just drag this out. Type in new color. Stroke is turned off. All that stuff. Just type it out. Just do your thing. Select your font, whatever. Let's do update colors, and then update expressions. What this does is it sequences our new thing. As you can see, a pink color has been added to our text right here. Let's lock in the control for text, jump back to random shapes, take our pink color, change it to white. This text is now white. And for instance, also, if we turned up the stroke, the stroke size here, lock the text stroke, jump back to random shapes, the color should be in here somewhere. So if we change it to like this color, yep, it works just like that. Now let's make a new shape. Let's do something different. Let's add in a regular shape. Let's duplicate this, duplicate this, duplicate this. Change these to like different colors really fast. So we have unique colors per shape. And let's go to the Color Master. Let's do update colors, build new shape colors, update expressions, and then position. Basically what this does, it reorganizes all of our shapes. If there's too many shapes on screen or if the compositions get kind of funky, you can always just click position and it like reorganizes everything for you without you having to move things around yourself, which is super nice. And same again, we're back with another file, same testing file I've been using, but let's say I have a bunch of shapes here. Let's say we want to build a color master, but we do not want to start with merging duplicate colors. What happens here? Let's build our master. Color master was successfully created. All of our folders are here. Let's go to our color master. As you can see, this is quite a large composition right here. It has all the duplicate. You can see these are all the shapes in here. This is the strokes. This is the shapes. And if we change them individually, they'll be there. So if we go to our shapes, let's lock this, go to comp 1. Let's just change one of these colors to white. One of these shapes should change. From here, we want to, all right, we're great. We've figured out which shapes should be what color. We want to like organize this color master a little more, and I want to control all of these greens together. All you have to do is click merge colors. What this does is merging all of our colors down into one little swatch. 123 duplicate colors have been merged. Now this looks a little unorganized. Let's make sure we update our colors, update our expressions, and let's do position. All master comps have been repositioned. Thank you for letting me know. And it looks like this now. Now if we jump back to comp 1, here it is. We do have a lot of other project testing in here, so there's more colors to look at, but normally you would just see the top 2 right here. Let's change this to like a light green. Changes all of those. Our white was still retained, and let's change it to red. And there it is, guys. This is Filament Color Master. It's a tool that we have been working diligently on. There are going to be a lot of updates to this tool. If you've downloaded it and you're using it, feel free to provide feedback if you see anything that's not working correctly, bugs, all that stuff. With iteration and perfection, we can make this tool jam up. But I think it's in a really good place, and I want to share it with the community, and the community is fully supporting us in building tools like these. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel, and if you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out filament.io. QR code is on the screen. Plenty of digital tools and awesome assets for all you creators. Check it out today.